What I'm about to reveal might confront you with a harsh truth, a truth few men accept, but all women instinctively recognize. If a woman doesn't respect you today, it's not because she's a bad person. It's simply because you don't yet embody one of the three types of men she automatically respects, unconditionally, without debate, without negotiation. And that's precisely what you're about to discover, these three types of men. But above all, you're going to understand why, on a psychological, neurological, and emotional level, a woman feels this respect in their presence. I'm also going to reveal a simple but extremely powerful secret. This respect has absolutely nothing to do with beauty, money, or popularity. This respect is an energy, a presence, a way of being, and any man can embody it. But before we go any further, let me remind you of a Stoic thought that lays the foundation for everything you're about to hear. True freedom is self-mastery. Marcus Aurelius. When you understand how this applies to seduction, relationships, female psychology, and even your daily life, you'll clearly see why some women test you, why some reject you, and why others desire you with surprising intensity as soon as you become that kind of man. I'm now going to take you on a journey that is both psychological and emotional. Stay focused, because this video is a true revelation. You'll never forget it. And above all, stay until the end, because the third type of man is the one that almost no man embodies, but that almost every woman dreams of meeting at least once in her life. And you can become that man after understanding what you're about to hear. Let's be honest. Feminine respect is never free. It's never automatic. It's never given without reason. Feminine respect is earned, deserved, and won through your posture, your energy, your way of thinking and acting. A woman doesn't respect a man because he speaks loudly. She doesn't respect him because he thinks he's superior. Nor does she respect him because he pretends to be confident. No, a woman respects a man because she senses something in him. A stability, a direction, an intensity, a rarity, a controlled danger, a controlled gentleness, a calm but ready strength, a presence indifferent to external chaos. And this is precisely what the Stoic philosophers have been teaching for over 2,000 years as the true essence of inner masculinity. Zeno said, "Character is forged in the mastery of one's impulses," and that's exactly what women perceive. A man who is in control naturally commands respect. Do you want to know why a woman suddenly loses all interest in you? Why she stops responding? Why she becomes cold, distant, unpredictable? Because deep down she no longer respects your presence, she no longer feels your inner strength, she no longer sees your direction, and that's exactly what's going to change today. Before discovering the three types of men, I want you to do one thing. Look at your past. Think back to your relationships. Remember those times when you felt weak, ignored, unwanted. Ask yourself an honest question. Who were you at that moment? The nice guy who gives everything and stays on the sidelines? The impatient guy who tries to convince at all costs? The frustrated guy who demands validation and quick answers? The nervous guy who's afraid of losing a woman as soon as she creates a little distance? If that's the case, don't worry. It's normal. We've all been there. But now, you're going to switch roles. And when you hear the description of the first type of respected man, you'll either recognize yourself or understand exactly what you've been missing all these years. Type of man number 1, the pillar man. This is the man women respect immediately, often without even knowing why. He's a man who can walk into a room without saying a word, and everyone feels his presence. Why? Because he possesses this rare aura. He asks for nothing, he expects nothing, he doesn't need anyone. This doesn't mean he's cold or distant. No, he's simply whole, stable, fulfilled. A woman only respects a man when she senses that he isn't ruled by his emotions, but that he's in control of his inner world. To understand why this man naturally commands respect, we must look at female psychology. Women possess an extremely well-developed radar for detecting male instability. This radar is instinctive, evolutionary, and ancestral. For thousands of years, a woman's survival depended on a man's mental stability, and this mechanism has never disappeared. When a woman meets a man who is emotionally stable, she senses that he won't have an emotional explosion, that he won't beg to be loved, that he won't become clingy or obsessive, that he won't react impulsively, that he won't lose his temper, and that he won't destroy himself for her. And that's precisely where respect is born. Feminine respect begins where masculine instability ends. A woman always tests a man, right from the start, even unconsciously. She makes a remark, asks a trick question, plays with the atmosphere, delays an answer, creates a little tension. Why? To test your core. One day, a woman said to her best friend, "What attracted me to him wasn't even what he said. It was that he was so unflappable. Emotionally, nothing seemed to be able to destabilize him. That's the pillar man. Do you want to become that man? Develop 3 qualities: emotional calm, mental clarity, and independence. No waiting, no begging, no rushing. A pillar man isn't afraid of losing a woman, because he knows he'll never lose himself. That's why women respect him. That's why they're attracted to him. That's why they come back. If you want to become that man, subscribe to Stoic Love. Each video brings you closer to respect, desire, and inner mastery. Now, let's move on to the second type of man, the one who makes women doubt themselves, makes manipulators tremble, and makes even the coldest seductresses lose their composure. But first, write in the comments, "I want to become a respected man." This will solidify this role in your mind. Type of man number 2, the man of mystery. This is the man who leaves women perplexed, fascinated, intrigued, sometimes even a little nervous. Why? Because he doesn't explain himself. He acts. He doesn't say, "I'm going to do this." He does it. He doesn't say, "This is how I am." He shows it. He doesn't tell his life story. He lets others discover it. This man is mysterious, but not empty. He's a man of mystery. He knows where he's going. He knows what he wants. He knows what he refuses. He knows his worth. A woman respects a man who never tries to sell himself. Because in female psychology, scarcity creates value, and mastery creates respect. A woman once said, "What drives me crazy about him is that I never quite know what he's thinking, but everything he does is so consistent, confident, and self-assured that I never feel like I'm with a child. I feel like I'm with a man." This is the man of mystery, the man in control, a man who doesn't run away, but who doesn't feel the need to explain everything, a man who speaks when he chooses, who opens up when he chooses, who only shares when the other person has earned the right to listen. Women respect this man because he's like a closed door that only opens from the inside. This sends powerful signals: selectivity, discipline, emotional control, scarcity, leadership, and these signals are perceived instantly. Type of man number 3, the most powerful, the man who can leave. He's the kind of man almost no man embodies, but almost every woman dreams of meeting. This man commands respect because he isn't afraid to leave, not because he wants to, but because he's capable of it, because he chooses himself, because he knows his worth, because he never sacrifices his respect for attention. A woman respects a man willing to leave the table if the price to pay is her esteem. This man is dangerous, not for women, but for illusions. He's the one who cuts the ice. He's the one who never begs. He's the one who says no. He's the one who sets his boundaries. He's the one who doesn't justify himself. And it's this man that women automatically respect, deeply desire, and slightly fear, because he's never dependent, never a prisoner, never on his knees. A woman recounts, "I tried to play games with him. I created some distance. I showed him I had other options. He didn't react. He didn't ask for anything. He simply carried on with his life. That's when I realized I could lose him, and that's when I began to respect him.